Hi, my name is Dr. Claire Moran, and I'm a qualitative researcher and educator. And I work with other researchers to help them to use AI in ways that can support, not replace, analytic depth and rigour. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about the course RES 203, using AI for thematic analysis in qualitative research. So this training focuses on using AI in ways that can support thematic analysis. So you'll learn to use prompts and tools like ChatGPT and Claude to help you generate codes, to test patterns across different transcripts, to help you refine your themes. But importantly, this is always done under your interpretive judgment. So really looking at ways of how we can use AI to support our analysis, but not replace our analytic judgment as researchers. So we'll also look at using AI in ways to adapt coding frameworks, to label data segments, and to help you document analytic decisions. You'll leave with a decision checklist to help you evaluate when and how to use AI in your analysis based on your paradigm, your research question, and your aims, not on any kind of hype around AI. So in this training, you can expect a mix of theory, hands-on demonstrations, peer dialogue, and lots of space to ask critical questions. So this is a really practical training. So if you want to integrate AI without flattening your research findings, I'd love you to join me in this training. Thank you so much.